All right, attempting to rebuild the master cylinder on my 2007 CBR Honda CBR 600RR. Just starting the disassembly process now. It's in a better position. All right. Okay. We'll try a different set of pliers on that. Boom. There it is. Remove the piston. That's too bad. Appears that I got shortchanged well, existing piston is definitely a little bit messed up there. As I was saying, I got shortchanged on one of the seals, it would appear. I may have to reuse one of these that's on this, unfortunately. Definitely kind of sucks. Perhaps not. All right. Pays to look twice sometimes. There we go. A little bit better. I'm just going to try to match these up to see which one goes where. It appears that the smaller one, the slightly shorter one. Yep. All right. Cool. So it looks like the slightly shorter one goes closer to the edge of the closer to the front of this piston, versus it looks like the broader one goes towards the back. Taking a look at I guess it would be the valve body or the chamber within there. It looks pretty solid. So I'm just gonna wipe that out a little bit, clean it off with a little bit of brake cleaner, and that ready to put back together. Pretty easy operation. Pause for the safety glasses. And run a little brake part cleaner. Just gonna take a shop towel to clean that out a little bit. There's a little bit of possibly corrosion in there. No, actually, just I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. Just gonna make sure that that cylinder is nice and clean. Nothing for anything to get hung up on. And I'm feeling a little bit of a ridge in there, which annoys me. So it's possibly something for that seal to hang on. Not sure if it's the bottom there. All right, might circle back on that